2, 3, go! Yeah! Cartwheel, cartwheel! Hey, 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 hey! One, two, three, go! Thank you very much. Mayor's got to tune his guitar. All right, this next song. All right.
Someone want to give me a water?
You guys having fun?
We'll take
Come
it.
on, you gotta be louder than that.
Scott.
Cut. Give it up to all the bands that are playing, or bands that are gonna be playing still.
We're gonna
Make some noise for everybody.
This next song is a participation song. It's called "Fight Till You Die." Now the words, it's about the war and how we don't fucking like it. So, oh, sorry, children. Sorry. So it's gonna start off: "Born to die, trained to kill, fight till you die."
Born to die. Ready?
Alright.
We're ready to die, but I never will. For Steve, man, he was not ready. Drink, red avenue. Bonda, drink, red avenue. Lost on the bonus card. Listen on my friends die. Bonda, drink, red avenue. Hope the best was never has to go dirt. Off one and one bro. Never let it fight. Fight to live with it. Fight will I live. Fight for future. Fight the past. Fight to them my friends. Bonda, drink, red avenue. Bonda, drink, red avenue. Lies on the bonus card. Listen to my friends die. Bonda, trying to kill, red up, but fight till you die. Fight till you die. Pepper, heaven with what price takes me more. Love is mad, but not rather. Fight with us, take it out. Bonda, trying to kill, red up, I never will. Bonda, trying to kill, red out, I'll fight till you die. Thank you very much. This next song is a cover song. It's by a very good ska band called Mustard Plug.
I'd like to donate this to my girlfriend who's sick at home. Yeah, I'm a man.
The song's called You. Thank you very much. You never